You want to put your trains back up on the track? Can you choo-choo them back over here?
No.
No, they must stay on that side?
More truck, more truck.
Yeah, that's more track, huh?
More.